Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Tracy's Destash group on Facebook. I haven't ordered from her in a little while, but she had some really cute stuff, so I just put in a little order. I already went through it, I cheated, but I really love everything that I got. She included some really great extras too, so I can show you what she has. I think this is, I can't remember if I bought this or if, I think this was a gift, but this is from Blue Moon. It's a really cool Hamsa pendant. You know I love stuff like that, so I'm super excited about that. It says thank you on it. Oh, these are really pretty. I looked through this like a few days ago, but I don't remember a lot of the stuff that's in it. These look like tiara cast. If they're not, they're really nice quality. They're really pretty. I love this one. So pretty. Thank you so much, Tracy. We have some peace signs. Those are super cute. Super cute. And then we have some bead caps. These are really nice. These would be great for some multi-strand necklaces or something. Something that has some meat to it. Very neat. Those are very nice. And oh my goodness, some Starfish. I think I claimed these after I paid, and she sent them anyway. That's so sweet. Oh my gosh, I love them. They're so cool. Little Starfish toggles. Oh my gosh, those are so sweet. Thank you so much, Tracy. Let's see. We've got some spacer beads. I love spacer beads. I use them so much. So perfect. I love those. These are really nice, like little, those are perfect for like Southwestern stuff. My goodness. Okay, so oh, some doggy themed stuff. So cute. Little babies. Oh, look at the little baby puppy. So cute. Love my dog. Oh, I love the little paw print on the back too. My goodness. Oh, this is a bail, I think. Yeah, it is. And look, a little play toy or dog bone bead. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Tracy, I'm gonna have to figure out where you got these, or if you have more, because I need some more of those. A little angel. Says Fatima on it, and then another heart. Very cute. Oh my gosh, I love that little mix. Thank you, Tracy. And then we've got some little cowboy hats. That's so cute. So cute. I need to do a Southwestern themed piece soon, because I haven't done one in a while, and I live in the Southwest. And then some feathers. Those are so cute. Love those. And then oh, I think this is the last freebie she put in there. This is a set of more spacer beads. So not quite a daisy spacer, it's more like a pentagon spacer. Very cool. Star spacer. Very neat. Love it. And then I bought these. These were the only two she had, and they were hands with a magic ball. So I want to preface this by, I know the ball came off of the hand here, but these are vintage, and they were sitting in my mailbox, which is in full sun in 110-degree heat when I got these out of the mailbox. So they were like molten when I got them. So it melted whatever old adhesive is on there. I'm literally just going to take my E6000, drop one little dot in there, and it'll be totally fine forever. So I'm not worried about that. Like, it came off super cleanly because it had no chance. I'm surprised this one survived against that heat. So I'll just put a little dot and then squish it into the hand and we'll be good to go. But these are so cool. They're cool for everyday use, I guess, but they're also really cool for, oh my gosh, you can see my face. They're also really cool for Halloween that's coming up. Isn't that cool? It's just like a neat little hand. So, yep, love those. I think those are definitely going to be my favorite thing that she sent. Cleaning off my glue so I can close it. That E6000 likes to glue to itself. And then, I got some of these, and I can't remember. I think she said they were check. They were 50 cents each, which is amazing. Like, these are huge. These are way bigger than I thought they were going to be. I actually don't know that they're check. I think they're not check. They're like ceramic. That's so cool. They look like raku. I love them. These are so neat. They're very like sea inspired. They look like an anemone or some kind of sea creature to me. Those are so awesome. And then last but not least, this glass cane glass, furnace glass mix, but it's not all furnace glass, but it's all awesome. It's way cooler in person than I thought it was going to be. I was like, oh, I'll buy that. But look at this really neat. This is really cool. I'm going to make something with this very soon because it's just so awesome. So it's got like dichroic glass in there and foil, and it's so cool. It's so cool. Oh, there's almost kind of like a W on there for like Wonder Woman or something. Look at this guy. It's a lampwork glass. More lamp work. These just look like a great like 90s cartoon to me, and I just love them. And then we've got these guys. This almost looks like an evil eye. This too, I guess. And they're matte. This one's like a nice little milky purple. Look at how cool this one is. Love it. And then these two are my favorite in the whole mix. I feel like I have superpowers if I wear these. Yeah, definitely this, oh gosh, I guess all the things that I ordered are my favorite. So I know I just love them. These are so cool. All of this is my favorite. Thank you so much, Tracy. Everybody check her out. All of her information's in the description below. She's really fun. She's really sweet. And I love the stuff she has. So I hope everybody has a fantastic rest of their day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And please like, subscribe, and share. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Are you sleeping with your eyes open? Like always? Oh, no. Hello. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. And she's back asleep. Look at those little paws. They're so cute. They're so cute in those little ears. Oh.